Okay, today's first video, Oklahoma history, Westmore High School. Welcome to my class, so let's get started. My name is
Mr. Kennedy!
Alright, so today, Oklahoma history, section 1. What is geography? So today's essential question is this: how does geographic location affect our state? Our state is Oklahoma. The terms we did for the bell work: geography, latitude, and longitude. Geography, the study of Earth's physical features and how people interact with them. All the life affected by geography, and geography is affected by life. This helps us learn about ourselves, history, relationships, and the globe. Where is Oklahoma in the United States? Geography, the physical features, the lakes, the rivers, the mountains. We did some of this already with our maps. We know what some of these are. The Black Mesa, highest point in Oklahoma. We know where it is. Antelope Hills, we know where it is. Our location, where our latitude and longitude for Oklahoma is between 92 degrees or 94 degrees and 92 degrees, 100 degrees west longitude. It lies between 33 and 39 degrees and 37 degrees north latitude. The 1829 Missouri Compromise set the 36 degrees and the 30 degrees north latitude as the boundary where slavery could exist and include the territory that became our state. As we take a look at this map, our latitude and longitude lines, we can see where different cities are in the state of Oklahoma. Geographical stats. There's about 70,000 miles in Oklahoma, square miles. The width of Oklahoma is 464 miles. The length is 320 miles. In terms of size, we're 18th. We have 77 counties. We're halfway between Los Angeles and DC. Remember, if we took I-40 east and west, we can get to Washington going east, or we can get to California going west. Now, this leads us into section 2, geographical regions. How do Oklahoma's geographical regions differ? Terms we need to talk about that we're going to do in the bell work: erosion, basin, topography, mesa, butte, ecosystem, and plateau. Different geographical regions. In the Panhandle, we have the high plains. In the southwest, we have the gypsum hills. In the south and southwest, again, Wichita Mountains. In the middle, Redbud Plains. In the eastern, Sandstone Hills. Southeastern, Arbuckle Mountains. Southeastern, even more, Red River Plains. In the eastern corner, we have the Ouachita Mountains. In the northeast, we have the Perry Plains, and then the Ozark Plateau is in the northeast corner. Okay, so let's talk about the high plains and where they're at. The Panhandle, along the western border. The Black Mesa, the highest point, is in Cimarron County, formed by prehistoric volcano eruption in southeastern Colorado. So Colorado helped form a volcano in Colorado, helped form the Black Mesa. The Antelope Hills, which we looked at on our map, are in the gypsum peaks south of the Canadian River. This area is great for people that like to look at stars because the lack of lights. There's not many people that live in this area. Region. Okay, so the type of wildlife that we have: quail, dove, duck, wild turkey, pheasant, deer, elk, antelope, and prairie dog. Oh, we got an announcement.
We have a 9th grade student that does not have a locker.
Lockers. We did that. Remember? I I've been helping you guys do that. Lake Optimum, Beaver Dune State Park are great recreational places to go see in this area. Guyman is the largest city. The economic things in this area: cattle, hog feed lots, farming, ranching, petroleum, and natural gas. So oil and natural gas is found in this area. This area is very flat. The Gypsum Hills cover a large area from the Kansas border to the southwest corner of the state. This was made as a result of the evaporation of ancient seas. The area named for the White Gypsum Buttes. Springs and caves are found in this region. Alabaster Caverns is a place you need to go see, and the Selman Bat Cave. If you like to see bats, go check it out. The ones that fly, not the ones you hit the ball with. Rich soils, so really nice soil, fertile soil. Wheat, hay, alfalfa, soybeans, and cotton. So those are the things that are produced here. Livestock, cattle is raised here. Oil and natural gas. A lot of the oil rigs that you find in Oklahoma are in this area. Red Bud Plains, red-orange clay formed from ancient shallow seas. Salt deposits were left when the seas evaporated. State rock, the Rose Rock. What is the state rock? The Rose Rock. If you want to go see something, if you want to go sightseeing, the Great Salt Plains National Wildlife Refuge. Only place in the world one can dig for hourglass crystals. A major resting site for migratory birds, the birds that you see that are always flying all together. This is where they like to go hang out. The Roman No State Park, Cheyenne Campground, Little Sahara State Park, over 1,600 acres of sand dunes ranging from 25 to 75 feet. Fertile soil, you can grow wheat, hay, peanuts, cotton. Also grasslands for cattle and horses. Oil and natural gas, again, found. The largest cities found in this area, which is Oklahoma City, which is also the what? The capital. Wichita Mountains, 500 million years ago. Mountains began to form from lava flows. Peaks are now eroded by climate forces. Granite boulders. If you like to rock climb, go to Wichita Mountains or the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. The area around the base of the mountains is mixed with grass. It's home to longhorn cattle, elk, deer, wild turkey, small animals, and birds. Medicine Park is located here, which is another place that if you'd like to go see, it's another resort type place. All right. You can also mine for gold back in the day here. Sandstone Hills, tall grass prairie preserve. One of North America's former major ecosystems. Sandstone, main rocks, hills up to 400 feet. Hills, not mountains. 400 feet is not very high. Buffalo here, Indian grass, switchgrass. There is a Phillips Oil Museum here. You find poultry, which is chicken and egg farms, ranching, oil, and natural gas. In the 1920s, the Osage Indians, among the wealthiest people in the country due to the discovery of oil. Coal mining in the McAllister area. Tulsa area is also in the Sandstone Hills. Arbuckle Mountains, the range runs east to west and is part of a very old mountain system. Limestone, sandstone you can find in this area. Turner Falls, if you've ever been to Falls Creek, it's in this area. Also find glassstone, granite, sand, gravel, shell, iron ore, lead, zinc, oil and gas. The Chickasaw National Recreational Area is the oldest park in Oklahoma. Turner Falls has 2 natural swimming pools and a 77-foot waterfall. If you like to go see that, go see it, Turner Falls. Prairie Plains, many hard sandstone hills and ridges. You can grow strawberries and tomatoes. Water is a major source. Eufaula and Oologah are important lakes. The Oklahoma Aquarium is in Jinx. The Port of Catoosa, international shipping port and the most inland ice-free port in the U.S. Arkansas River covers 445 miles. This region includes Tulsa. That's the bell. Don't leave. That's the bell from today, not yesterday. Coal areas. Ozark Plateau, Ozark Mountain, in the Missouri and Arkansas. Heavily wooded, oak, hickory, and elm trees. You find a lot of fruit, berries, and vegetables. Lead and zinc in this area. The Illinois and the Grand, main rivers. The Pensacola Dam created Grand Lake. Ouachita Mountains, towering pine and hardwood trees. It was once part of the Appalachian Highlands. The Rich Mountain is the highest peak in this area, 2,666 feet. The mountains once provided safety for Indian people and hideouts for outlaws. If you want to go see popular parks in this area, Beaver's Bend, Robbers Cave, Spiral Mounds, Heavener Runestone, Talamina Drive. Talamina Drive is known for its fall footage. Grazing lands, small farms, lumbering are important things in this area. The Red River Plains, southeast region. Along the Red River has rich sandy soil. The area is ideal for melon, squash, corn, pumpkins. Red River dams provide better flood control and more area available for farming. The eastern part of this region includes swamps and forests, Lake Texoma, Lake Murray, and Lake Hugo. Giant raft, 150-mile jam of logs and debris around the Red River in the early 1800s. Okay, so this wraps up section 1 and section 2. Went through it really quickly. We'll go back and go through the PowerPoint. And so we'll learn this again. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.